What's up everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on our channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to get live wallpapers on your PC for free. So firstly you need to download the Lively wallpaper from the Microsoft Store or the developer's website. Install the app and wait for it, and then launch it from the Start menu or click Open in the store. Lively opens to the library screen. Choose one of the built-in live wallpapers, or click or tap a wallpaper to apply it instantly. Your desktop updates immediately. Some wallpapers react to your actions, like triangles in light or periodic table. Now click on the three-dot menu on a wallpaper tile, then choose Preview to see how it looks before applying. Customize, adjust available options, it varies by wallpaper, and view the source files on GitHub if you want. Most wallpapers work great with default settings, so customization is optional. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.